Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add transition effect in CapCut Mobile. So in here, I've already import my clips, and to add transition, you can just simply click on the white box in between the clip and you'll be directed to the transition menu in the CapCut Mobile. So in here there are lots of transition that you can use. For example, I'm going to use the blur for the first one, and here at the bottom just adjust the duration. If you want to use the transition for all of the clips, just click on apply to all. But if you want to set another or a different transition, just click on the white box again. Click on the white box on the next two clips, and here you can just choose a different transition that you want. Okay, after that click on the check icon again and you are done. So this is the transition effect that I choose. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.